Hello! In this video, Ekaterina will show us how to do these beautiful green theme flowers. First of all, we need to apply background. It will be white gel polish. Then we cure it in LED for 30 seconds. Then I will seal it with a top coat and cure it again. To do this design, we are going to need 4 different colors, all green, of inks. We also call them aquarelle or watercolor drops. I will start with the bluish green color and simply apply drops. Do not hurry, wait for them until they spread a little bit and then simply add another one. In this design, it is important not to oversaturate everything with the colors, but on the other hand, add enough color. As they cure, you can see that they start to get lighter. And these are air cured drops, you do not have to cure them in the lamp. Then I'm adding another light green color, and in between I will add even lighter shade. As this is an abstract design, it's really hard to follow some specific rules, so just add drops and colors whatever you like them. I personally like this design when it's located in the middle of the nail. It looks like it's some setting of the beautiful green flowers. So when you're done, you need to wait for a few seconds. That's how long it takes to fully cure the paint, and then I will take black gel paint and simply outline it and create the shape of the flowers. And the shape is really up to you. You can make the petals longer, you can make them more round. Just use your imagination. We're almost done. You need to cure gel black paint in LED, and then I will add the drops of the top coat in the center of the flowers and simply add rhinestones. This is size SS3, they're rather small, and I think they perfectly look with this design all together. Now I will take another one right here and right here, but when working with crystals, we all know the rule that we need to stop sometimes, but it really depends on your clients. If she wants more, that's fine, just keep going. Cure in LED, and the last step will be sealing with the top coat. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you, Ekaterina, and we all look forward to seeing your beautiful works.